So here's how you can earn some extra money for the holidays. We all know that a lot of people shop on Amazon, but did you know that you can actually get paid for referring people to buy from Amazon? So check this out. So when you come to Amazon.com, you're gonna scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Become an Affiliate. And then you can sign up and start recommending products and earning commissions. Then you're gonna find a product you wanna promote. So let's check out the 7-foot inflatable snowman. So here's the product and here's the price. When you sign up as an affiliate, you're gonna see this bar at the top of your web browser and you're gonna click on Get Link. And you're gonna click on Text. So you're gonna copy this link and you can put together a list of other holiday decorations. And you can create a YouTube video promoting these products. So here's a video, top 10 best artificial Christmas trees on Amazon. It's a simple video that shows Christmas tree decorations that you can get from Amazon. And if you want to buy these products for yourself, you can click on the links in the description. And it takes you to Amazon where you can buy it for yourself. Or you can just post on your Facebook page. So when you do this, every time somebody clicks on your link and buys that product, you earn a commission.